Folks, here's a 2020 Subaru Forester Sport with a boxer engine. We are going to change the air filter today. Here's the STP model number SA50025 right there. The air filter is found right here. It's fairly simple. Just gotta pop these two little clips. Okay, and inside on the other side, on the bottom, there's actually 1, 2, 3 slots that this housing slips into. So once you pop this, you're going to just pop it out of the housing, lift it up and out of the way. Okay, once you lift it up and out of the way, you'll be able to slip this air filter out. See it? All right, let me pull it out for you because I only have one hand today. Hold on. All right, like I said, just pull this up out of the way. The filter comes right out with the dirt. See it? Of course, the new one not going to look the same way. Okay, nice and clean. So the same way, separate it and just drop it right in. Okay, you're going to see the 3 slots right in there. See it? There's 1, there's 1, there's 2, and there's 1 on the other one. All right, that's where this housing is going to drop into once you put the filter in. All right, so let's put this filter in here. I'm going to hold that housing up out of the way again. So yeah, hold the housing out of the way. The filter will drop in. This is just going to go in. It's going to go nice and flush. You see it? Just like that. All the way around. Take the housing. And I'll line it up with the 3 slots. Drop it right in. And once it drops in, you close this. There's your 2 little clips. 1 and 2. All right. There you go. You're all set. Easy peasy, people. Thanks for watching. Ciao.